Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So, to start off, hold the power key, and when you see the couple of options here, you want to hold the power off. So hold it, it will give you the message then, reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to turn back on. And you can see now that the device is in safe mode, which is indicated by the safe mode on the bottom right here, and only the essential apps work while everything else is disabled in this mode. So that is how you would access this mode, and if you want to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key and this time tap on restart. And once the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, the device is back on in the normal mode. So let's just put in a pin, and there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.